Subscribe my channel for G and NEET.
Hello students, today our topic is work done in various concepts, that is vector components. In yesterday we are seeing the work done in various cases and we are practicing so many numericals, but today we are also studying the work done in various concepts, that is in vector components. Here so many methods are there, so let us see what are they and how we can solve the numericals in that cases. Okay, so before going to that, students, please subscribe our channel and like, share, comment in our comment section which topic you want to need. That will be I will be trying to explain to you. So please ask me if you have any questions or any doubts in our comment section. So let us start our topic. So work done in various concepts. So the first formula, it is the basic formula, that was nothing but the work done W, it is equal to F dot S, right? So the work done, the net work done, it is equal net force into displacement. Here the displacement S is equal S2 minus S1. Okay, so this is the one formula you have to measure the work done. And the second formula, it is integration method. Integration. So integration method. In integration method, the work done should be W, it is equal to integral of F into dx, where limits from x1 to x2. So here the area of the in this case they are asking area of the certain it means triangle or rectangular or whatever. So area, it will be area of any will be represent here work done, will be represents here work done. Okay, if you find the area, then it will gives us the work done. So this is the integration method. And the third one, it is work done W, it is equal to integral of, whereas F into dr, so from R1 to R2. So let us, where we have to take the dr value. So here the force will be acts in both x and y direction, both x and y directions. Then we can need use this formula, that is F into dr. Here the force is also a variable. Force is also a variable. So force will not be constant, it can be variable with x direction, right? So if the force will be acts in both x and y direction, then we have to take W is equal F into dr. And another, that is already we told that by the graphical method the work done should be, by the graph means graph between force and displacement, force and displacement. So that should be given to us displacement, that should be given to us work done. Okay, so these are the formulas in the vector components, right? So this is the displacement of the body and this is the force acting on the body. And so if there is a graph, whatever that is, so this can be in this shape, let it be. So here what is the work done here? So then how we can find the work done in these cases? That is a graph between force and displacement also gives us the work done here. Okay, right? The area of the shape of the graph should be given to us work done. So that is the process you have to solve it. So now coming to the first model, how we can solve these type of models, let us see. Here there is a formula problem. If two forces F1 2y plus 4k, F2 3j plus 2k acts on one body and displaces it from 1 0 0 and 2 1 1, find the net work done. So here the solution, it is the formula net work done, it is equal to net force into displacement dot displacement. Here the net force, it is equal to both F1 plus F2, right? F1 it is 2i plus 4k and plus 3j plus 2k. Okay, it is 2y plus, there is no I factors, and 4k and 2k, there is j factor, that is 3j and plus 6k. So this is the net force. S it is equal to S2 minus S1. Let S2 minus S1, 2 minus 1, 1, and 1 minus 0, 1, and 1 minus 0, 1. Okay, it is 1i means I plus j plus k. Okay, and here S is equal to I plus j plus k. Therefore net work done, it is equal to F net to S. What is F net? 2y plus 3j plus 6k into I plus j plus k. So this is the scalar product. It can 2 into 1 2 plus 3 into 1 3 plus 6 into 1 6. It is nothing but 11 joules. Okay, so this is the work done in this type of questions. So that was belongs to the first model, where in case of vector modulation. Okay, and coming to the second one, nothing but integration. So in integration method, the force will be variable. Okay, force will be variable from the graph. How we can find the integration? So that is, this is the x and this is the force, and there is a force, let it be here. The force will be, so this is the force and this is the force and this is the force. This is the, all these are force. Okay, the force will be variable, it will not be constant. This is the displacement. So here started from the, let it is x1, and here let it be x2, x1 to x2. Okay, so here in this situation we have to find the force. The work done should be, it is f into dx. Work done should be f into d. How it is? For example, let it be a smallest it is smallest element, that is strip, smallest strip having the breadth of dx. Here the area of the strip, here given to us, area of the strip, area of the strip, it is equal to area, it is nothing but length into breadth. This is the rectangular, length into breadth. Length means, let it be, this can be the, you can assume that is f. Okay, so this is, for example, this is f1, let this is f2 and this is f3. It is nothing but f3, I can write that. Okay, so then length into breadth, the length means f3 into dx, breadth it is dx, that is the area. So this can be given to f into dx, it is nothing but work done, right? So this is the w, f into dx, f into dx. So for suppose this is one of the another element having the length, having the breadth dx. So this is what I say. So this is, for example, this is f2. So this is the breadth of the, so then the work done should be w is equal to f2 into dx, f2 into dx. Here the total work done or the total area is equal to, total area is equal to integral of f1 dx plus integral of f2 dx plus integral of, what is that, f3 dx. Okay, is given to us total work done w, it is equal to integral of f dx, f1 plus f2 plus f3 and so on, given to us total force. So that is from x1 to x2. So this is the work done we have to find here. Okay, so this is the integration method. Here there is a question, if force F is equal to x displaces from x1 is equal to x2 is equal to 3, then find the work done. Find the work done. So here the work done, it is equal w, it is equal, what is that, f into dx. it is equal, what is f here? F it is equal 2x into dx, okay, from x1 to x2. So it is equal to integral of 2x into dx, where x1 it is equal to 2, x3 is equal to 3. If x1 is equal to, if x is equal to 2, then f is equal 4. If x2 is equal to 3, then f is equal 6. It means force is variable here. Force is variable. So if force is variable, then you have to use the integration method. If force is variable, use integration method. This is the case you have to remember. Integration should be needed to find the work done, right? So now we have to simplify this one. So the integral of 2x, the 2 is comes outside, and it is x dx, it is nothing but x square by 2. The integration limits are 2 to 3. So let's applying the limits, will be cancelled out. It is nothing but 3 cube, 3 square minus 2 square. Upper limit minus lower limit. X will be replaced by upper limit 3 and square minus lower limit. So this is 9 minus, what is that, 4, it is equal 5 joules. 5 joules. So this is the work done you have to find in this type of questions. Okay. So here one more example. If force is F is equal to minus 3x cube, and position will be changes from x1 is equal to x2 is equal to 3, find the work done. So here the work done should be W, it is equal to integral of F into dx. F it is nothing but minus 3x cube into dx. So minus 3 should become outside, and here the limits are x1 to x2. It is nothing but 2 into 2 to 3. It is x1 to x2. Okay. So 3 will be come outside, and x cube will be integrated by x to the power 4 by 4. Okay. Because of, integral of x dx, it is equal to x to the power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus constant. Okay. So this is the integration, and it should be limits from 2 to 3. Okay. It is minus into, whereas x power 4 by 4, it is 3 power 4 by 4 minus, okay, 2 power 4 by 4. It is equal to, you can write that minus 3 by 4 is LCM. It is 3 power 4, it is nothing but 81 minus 2 power 4, it is 2 2s are 4 and 8 32 16. Okay, 16. Okay, so now it can be, it is equal to, minus 3 into 65 by 4. Okay, so that is 65, 60.16.2, 48 or 49 joules nearly, minus work done. Okay, so this is the work done here in this case. Okay, and one more example you have to see by the another formula. Here the another model, that is, if force F is equal to x square I plus 2 yj, and body displaces from 1 comma 2 to 3 comma 4, find the work done. So here you have to observe the force should be in both directions, that is x and y direction. Okay, in these cases what I am told, that if force should be in both x and y directions, then you have to use the work done, it is equal to integral of, what is that, F into dr, where here r it is equal to unit vector, that is position vector, that is nothing but xi plus yj plus zk, where dr it is equal, you can given that dxi plus dyj plus dzk. So this is very very important, you have to remember. Okay, dr is equal dxi plus dyj plus dzk. So here f is equal x square I plus 2yj. Okay, and here this is x1 to x2, here r1 to r2, right? Let it be right. So f is equal, w it is equal, what is f? It is equal integral of x square I plus 2yj into dr. So it is equal to r1 to r2, integral of x square I plus 2yj 2yj plus dr, it is equal dxi plus dyj and plus dzk. It is equal, we can write that integral of x square dx, I factors will be multiplied, j factor will be multiplied, plus integral of y into 2y into dy, 2y dy. Okay, so the it is limitations r1 to r2 here. In case of x square, x direction, the limitations are, so this is, let it be x1 and x2 and x1 and y1 and x2 y2. Okay, so here x1 y1 x2 y2, so that is the limits are here. What is x1? 1 and x2 3. From the y axis, the limitations are y1 and y2, it is 2 to 4, 2 and 4. Okay, so let us integration and find the value by the summation of these two, we can get the work done. So how we can find that? It is integral of x cube by 3, 1 to 3, plus 2 will become outside, and y square by 2, from 2 to 3, right? So for the replacing upper limit minus lower limit, it is 1 by 3 will become outside, 3 cube minus 1 cube plus 2 will be cancelled out, it is 3 square minus 2 square. Okay, it is equal to 1 by 3 into 9 minus 1 plus 9 minus 4, it is equal to 8 by 3 plus 5, it is equal to 23 by 3 joules. So the work done, it should be 23 by 3 joules. So this is the pattern you have to find in this type of questions. Okay, so here there is a shortcut method also there, that is the work done should be, work done it is equal to work done in the x direction, it is work done in x direction plus integral of work done in y direction. Okay, so work done in x direction means integral of fx into dx plus integral of fy into dy, right? What is fx here? Fx, it is equal to x direction mein x square, in y direction 2y, so it is nothing but, so this equation. Okay, fx dx, fx means x square, fy dy, fy means 2y, so this is the, from this we can write easily. So before you have to multiply dr value, so you can get easily this value. Okay, so the work done in both x direction and both y direction, x and y directions. Okay, here the one more question, if f is equal minus x cube I plus y square j, find work done by this force body displaces from 2 comma 3 to 6 comma 5. Okay, so here what I am saying here, the work done is equal integral of f into dr from r1 to r2. Okay, so dr should be, it can be, it is equal dxi plus dyj and plus dzk. Okay, so let here f, it is nothing but minus x cube I plus y square j into, what is that, dxi plus dyj plus dzk. Okay, it is equal minus integral of x cube dx plus y square j, it is equal to integral of y square dy. So there is no z factor, then it can be 0. It is equal to, where the r1 to r, it is nothing but, it is equal to x1 y1 x2 y2, x1 y1 x2 y2. So x1 to x2, it is equal 2 to 6, and y1 to y2, y1 it is equal 3 and y2 is equal 5. So just it can be written as, whereas minus of x power 4 by 4. Okay, and it is 2 to 6 plus, it can be y cube by 3, 3 to 5. So you can multiply it and add it, then you can get the total work done, that by the applying of upper and lower limits. Okay, so this is minus of 6 power 4 minus 4 power 1 by 4 should be common. 6 power 4 minus of 2 power 4, okay, plus 1 by 3 is common, and 5 cube minus 3 cube. So this will be simplified, you can get the work done, right? So this is the method. By another method is also there, that is the work done, it is a scalar quantity work done. So that's why you needed to work done, it is equal to work done along with the x-axis plus work done along with the y-axis. So work done with along x-axis, it is nothing but integral of x dx plus integral of fy dy. What is fx here? X cube minus x cube, okay, dx, plus what is fy here? It is y square dy. So this is the integration method you have to substitute, right? So one more, it is graphical method. The work done should be in graphical method. So here what you are drawing, it is, so this is the fx graph, this is x and this is f. So f it is equal 10 newtons, x it is equal to 10 meters, okay, s in meters and f in newtons. So this is the graph. So this here 5 meters and right, this is the graph. So whereas the area of the figure here, area of the figure here. So find here, if f is equal to 10 newton, s is equal to 10 meters, find area or work done, find work done. So here you have to remember, area of the given structure should be given to us work done. So here previous what I told, that is the graphical representation, the area will be represents the work done given to the structure, okay. So now we have to find the area of the given structure. So here area, it is equal, total area, it is nothing but one rectangular and one triangle. This is triangle, okay. So you can find, it is given to us work done. So the area of the rectangular, that is nothing but length into breadth. So the breadth it is equal 5 meter, length it is equal, what is that, 10 into 5, plus triangle, the area of the triangle, that is nothing but 1 by 2 into half into base into height. Base means from this to this is 5 meters and height it is equal to 10 meters. 5 into 10, so how much it is? 50 and plus 50 by 2, it is 25, it is nothing but 75 joules. 75 joules, the work done here 75. This is the one more another example. So to find the work done in case of graphical representation. So dear students, these are all the methods which you have to find the work done in case of different methods of vector formation. You should follow and do more and more numericals. You should get definitely the concept belongs to the work done. So I think all are you understanding, and please learn and subscribe our channel, like, share, comment.